Before I get too much further, I'm going to put the earring on, just for fun. And it's quite dark. Here's the patch, the spot where it hangs off. And we've got a darkening there. A little touch of dark in under here. And I can do the whole circly bizzo. And then get on the lights. Circle's a bit skewy, mind you. The lights are, there's a wee touch of grey, bluey green in it. As it goes that way, and it goes that way. And then I can put the nice yellow-ish light. Will this light be light enough? Hopefully. If I can find an edge, I'll be laughing. There we go. Ding, ding. There we are, I've got an earring.